Good morning, guys. Good morning. Hope you all are having an amazing morning. I had to get woke up 7 o'clock in the morning to lawnmowers and blowers, which I ain't gonna lie, I appreciate very, very much. So, we're gonna put that out there because I don't want anybody saying nothing. I'm very grateful that I can do that. However, choice of the day, y'all. Guess what? Sometimes your body need a break. For all my coffee lovers, don't y'all come and beat me up today, okay? Today is October the 22nd, y'all. Thursday. She got it right. So yeah, don't come beat me up about the coffee, but sometimes your body needs a break from all that coffee. Coffee's okay, especially if you buy some good kind. But yeah, your body needs a break sometimes. So get you some more water, make you a smoothie. Powered punch, just give you a lot of energy. Carrots, turmeric, cinnamon, pineapple, mango. I think that was it, but this is really good. So guys, I'm getting ready to head in, and it's okay. You gotta do what you gotta do. So guys, I want you guys to have a great day until I see y'all later on in the video. And what I came up with today, because it was something I was thinking about, and I'm gonna share it with you guys, and you can put it in any area of your life that you want, but I'm gonna share this with you. Always be ready so you don't have to get ready, okay? I want y'all to remember that. Put it in every scenario of your life. Every place that it belongs in your life, place it there, okay? So that's something to think about it. Always be ready so you don't have to get ready. All right, I'll see you guys later once I get home from work. All right now. Oh guys, this is what I am seeing right now. I am loving it. Y'all see the Japanese burgundy tree there. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Y'all, it's so sunny out and beautiful. Today is a beautiful day. I'm going to ride my bike today, guys. Yes. Look, y'all. Oh, she's so excited. She's so excited. Y'all, I am feeling so good because guess what? Guess what? I had to see if we was rolling. Guess what? It's so beautiful outside, guys. It's like 75 degrees here in Ohio. I'm going to ride my bike today, and I'm probably going to bring y'all along so y'all can see and all that good stuff. I'm so this probably will be the last time. I got to do it. I got to do it. Guys, it's so beautiful out here. Oh my God, I just had to bring y'all out. It is amazing out here. Let me know in the comments below, what is the temperature where you guys? I'm in Ohio, and it's absolutely beautiful. Like, I'll show you guys the sky and the sun is, I came out here for a little while because ain't gonna be that long before it gets dark. And I'm gonna get me some vitamin D. And yeah, they did blow off the deck early this morning, but apparently they did all of that. There was leaves everywhere, garden, but we still have leaves falling. Guys, look, the petunias are still blossoming. They're still blossoming. Ain't they pretty? But these have got folded up and put away. We got to get a, what do you call that thing? Some kind of tarp to put over that. And let's put it in the garage. But yeah, guys, look at it. Look, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Those are the trees. It's amazing, man. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. It's so amazing. Okay guys, if you guys can see, I've drilled this one already, got this one in here. So this is I'm gonna drill this in to make it tighter. This is gonna come through here, like so. I'm gonna bring it down and slide it through there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this one. So I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna throw in a clip of how it looks divided, but I'm gonna show you right here. Do you see how you have this little thing here? This is gonna actually, on the rod here, it's gonna give a division. So I'm able to put a towel here without it being like pushed over or in the way of the other one, or like it's going to be a separation. So this is how you're going to tighten that up so that bar won't slide. So yeah guys, instead of paying somebody to come out to your house, and I already knew I was going to do this. I was looking for a nice curtain rod, so I knew I needed to update a towel bar because we had put this up here, so I took this down. This is just actually a hook that's like on the back of the door. I don't think you can see it, but yeah. So guys, I'll let you see when I'm done how it turns out, okay? All right guys, so I'm on the last one and I'm going to show you quickly, okay? So let me go ahead and drill this one in like so. You guys can see that? apply pressure so you can get it. So it's really snug like so. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for this one so it can be snug, okay? Let me try to slide. Okay, hold on. I can't slide it in there that way, so hold on, guys. Hold on 1 second so we can get this done. All right, hold on. All right, guys, I don't know why I told you to hold on. I just had to disconnect this. So we're gonna take this rod like so, and we're gonna slide it through that way and bend it back. Slide it through there like so, and we're gonna go ahead and put our cap back on there. I might just, you can switch either side, because remember I have a gold one and I have the black one, so whichever I desire. And then here's the other piece. So we're gonna have to bend this one back down a little bit. Let me see, let me bend that back down a little bit. Hold on, y'all. So I can get this in here. Okay, I had to unscrew. Okay, there we go. And then you're just gonna slide it like that, guys. Slide it together. And there you go. And then you're gonna tighten up these so the railing does not move. And here you can put your curtains on either side. So guys, I hope you liked that demonstration. And those little screws down here keeps this from shifting from left to right. So guys, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So if I don't find a gold one, I can always spray paint this gold, or if I want to switch it around, I can always spray paint this one black. It doesn't matter. But I do like the gold, and I think I might do that. But this is how it turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Y'all, she ready. Y'all see that? I got her on there, and she ready to go. So I actually can fit like 2 more bikes on here if I adjust this rack right here. But yeah, she ready to roll, y'all, and I gotta go. So I'll see y'all in a little while. All right. All right, y'all, we here. We made it. I'm so mad. I broke my freaking fingernail. Really broke my freaking fingernail. So I'm gonna take y'all for a ride with me for some scenery, okay? So sit back and enjoy. All right? That's what I want you to do. Sit back and enjoy. Put this bike down. If you're wondering how I did it, so like that. Shouldn't take me that long, y'all. I've been dreaming for this. I've been praying for this. It's a lot of runners out here, a lot of bikers out here, and we gonna make it do what it does, okay? We're gonna have some fun. All right, y'all, I think I can put y'all on pause for a minute, I think. All right, y'all, it's just that easy. Got her loose, and we're gonna bring her down. We're gonna bring her down like this. Can y'all see my lights? I have to put her on. Let's see if y'all can see the lights. Can y'all see my lights? How they bling bling? I hope you guys enjoyed the view today. I hope you enjoyed the scenery. And I will see you guys in the next video. And then also, I know a lot of you commented and said paint the table black. So guys, that's going to be the next project I'm going to be working on. So guys, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. It was nice hanging out with y'all today. If you can tell, the sun is going down and I'm just trying to get home, you know, so I could be safe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all. Love you, y'all. Bye.